Welcome to the October edition of Litera Times.
As the festive month ends, Litera Valley is shining in the light of cultural fair, sports events and academic growth.
This month we bring you the latest achievements, stories and updates from our community.
We will share our experiences from our achievements and stories, and you will also get the monthly school updates.
So sit back, relax and join us through the journey of Litera Times, your monthly dose of school news.
First up, for the October edition of Litera Times, we have commemorating Gandhi Jayanti.
We have Riddhi to tell you about this event.
In observance of Gandhi Jayanti, a distinguished assembly was convened for students of classes 3 to 5, highlighting the enduring significance of Mahatma Gandhi's philosophies. The event featured an array of engaging performances, including thought-provoking skits and eloquent poetry recitations that illuminated the themes of non-violence and truth. Educators facilitated a reflective dialogue, encouraging students to critically examine Gandhi's legacy and its relevance today, thereby nurturing a commitment to peace and communal harmony.
Litarians showcase their honor at inter-school level.
Let's bring in our reporter Anjali to provide insights on the Hunar Inter-School Contest.
October 4, 2024, an inter-school competition was held at Trinity Global School, where Litera Valley School achieved a remarkable victory by securing second position in the contest. Notably, Ankit De, Tathagat Raj and Ayati Raj demonstrated exceptional teamwork and knowledge. The competition comprising of participation of 9 schools and the portions were covering a wide range of topics like science, maths, history, economics, geography, current affairs, general knowledge, Gen Z interest, politics, movie, etc. Elvis reached the last round of quiz, including 8 intense levels like rapid round, buzzer round, and audio visual. This achievement was again a sign of testament of students' hard work and determination. Thank you.
Swimming champions make waves for Litera Valley School.
Up next, we have Falak to share the experience about this inter-school swimming competition.
On Friday, 4th October 2024, the Master Akshay Kumar Inter-School Swimming Competition was held at St. Michael's High School, Patna, in which Litera Valley School proudly participated alongside 25 other schools, in which Litera Valley School secured the first runner-up position, accumulating 7 golds, 14 silver, 7 bronze medals. Notably, Anika Sharma of 9E, Ishanvi Sharma of 7F, and Arsh Hassan of 8E emerged as individual champions of their respective categories. Furthermore, our esteemed coach, Mr. Abhishek, was awarded as the best coach due to his excellent guidance and mentorship.
The success of Innovation Day, a celebration of success and creativity in the science model making.
Let's hear from Azad about this event.
The highly loved science model making competition, Innovation Day, was held recently during the PTM. The event drew talented students from various classes, each eager to present their unique projects. Among the standout projects was a stunning model of AIoT, Artificial Intelligence of Things, complete with 3D hologram and image generation tool. Another notable entry featured a working model of rocket stabilizer. There were many more notable projects that were loved by everyone. Some of them are organic manuring, modern irrigation, Biharify, among many others.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am here with Archisha, who has won the art exhibition. Let's ask her a few questions. So, Archisha, what was the inspiration for the Lipin art you made?
Actually, one of the most important topics for the art exhibition was to make a traditional art form with metals and mirrors. So we came across an art piece from the deserts of Rajasthan and Gujarat, and we made an art piece called as Lipan art.
Building collaborative relationships. Educators and parents unite.
So, we have Soumya to tell you further about this parent-teacher meeting.
October 5th, 2024, parents-teacher meeting was held for classes 6 to 12, facilitating meaningful conversation between parents and educator. Discussion centered mainly on academic performance, behavior instinct, and extracurricular performance.
Celebrating strength and unity.
Now we have Yashasvi Pal as a reporter to share more about the special assembly on Durga Puja.
A vibrant special assembly was held at the school to celebrate Durga Puja, highlighting the festival's rich cultural heritage. Students showcased traditional dances and recited poignant poems that emphasized the significance of the goddess Durga. This heartfelt gathering showcased tradition and shared values.
Science exhibition. Young scientist in the making.
Tejas will explain you more about this wonderful science event.
On 16th October 2024, Litra Valley witnessed a grand size exhibition that displayed the curiosity of young minds from grade 3 to 5. They displayed their working models, each one a testament to their deep thoughts and creativity. The students confidently explained their working models, making the event an inspiring destiny of scientific explorations.
Inter-school Hindi and Sanskrit competition at DPS. A true demonstration of brilliance.
Now we have Suryansh to brief you more about this wonderful event.
October 16th, 2024, our students participated in Vagmita, an inter-school Hindi and Sanskrit literary competition held at DPS. They competed in various events including poetry recitation, slok recitation, poster making, and advertisement presentation. Rumi Verma and Medha Bhargav excelled, winning awards in speech and poster making respectively. Congratulations to all our winners and participants.
Global Festive Bridge. Juniors showcase their creativity.
Now we will turn up to Aliza to share the experience about this activity.
On October 16th, the students of class 1 and 2 embarked on a creative journey in which they crafted the festive symbols from different countries such as India, USA, UAE and Bhutan. The festival fervor across the world. Activity sparked imagination and cultural curiosity among the young ones. With enthusiastic spirits, the students crafted iconic symbols like diyas, masks, etc.
Good morning everyone, this is Diksha Sani reporting, and today we are going to interview our talented band members Sambhavi and Kanishkva. So let us start with getting to know all our band members. What are their names and positions in the band?
So on guitars we have Sarthak Raj and Bab. On keyboardists we have Kanish and Yash. On vocals we have Trishula, and on basses it's me Shambhavi, and on drums we have Prince.
Okay, thank you. And your band name Paranoia is certainly a very unique one. So how did you come up with the inspiration for the name?
So basically, paranoia is a mental condition in which one is very fearful and anxious about a particular thing or a particular person, which in our case translates to being very fearful and anxious about winning the prestigious battle of the bands. Also, paranoia means being mad, which in our case translates to being mad for making a mark in the field of music.
That was certainly an interesting answer. With this, we are signing off.
Celebrating our champions, Litarians won the Karate Champions Cup League.
Up next, we have Tia as a reporter bringing you the details of the championship.
Karate Champions Cup League, held by Dr. D.Y. Patil International School, was a memorable moment for Litra Valley School. Arihant Kumar Singh, Divyam Prakash, Ronak Ranjan and Vishesh Kapil secured gold, while Ashmit Patel secured bronze. It was a proud moment when Vishesh Kapil and Ronak Ranjan got mementos for the judges of the event.
Seeking a career that shines, career fair organized at Litra Valley School.
Now we have Medha as our reporter to cover the details of the event.
An enlightening career talk and educational fair was organized by Litera Valley School for the students of classes 11th and 12th on 22nd October 2024 at the school campus to aid the students in exploring new arising careers and connect with leaders from leading institutes and universities. The parents were also invited so that they could assist their wards in taking informed career decisions.
Victory and sportsmanship. Litera Valley School shines at Khelos.
Now we have Lavanya to tell you more about this Khelos event.
On October 21st and 22nd, the Patliputra Sports Complex hosted the Khelos badminton match that featured students from 30 schools across Patna. Litera Valley School celebrated outstanding achievements as our under-19 girls team won the gold medal, under-19 boys team secured the silver medal, and under-14 boys team won the gold medal too. This event highlighted our students' dedication and teamwork, fostering their friendship and sportsmanship.
Competitive excitement. Housewives trials ignite athletes at Litera Valley.
Now joining us is Apurva, a reporter here to share more on the event.
Our school hosted stayback sessions for housewives sports trials, specifically for students of grades 9 and 11. Under the guidance of our dedicated coaches, participants engaged in rigorous training and spirited competitions, fostering a sense of camaraderie and teamwork.
Celebrating success, the grand conclusion of LitFest.
The vibrant halls of our school echoed with excitement as the highly anticipated LitFest concluded, marking a resounding success for our inter-school competition. This year's event brought together students and teachers from various schools, united by a shared passion for literature, creativity, and teamwork. LitFest featured a load of different competitions like We Web in the Web World, the website designing competition; Spectrum, the inter-school quiz competition; Utsav, the group dance contest; Jashn-e-Hindustan, the inter-school reel making competition; Dawat-e-Bharat, the cooking without fire competition; Tribal Treasure, the face painting competition; Rockathon, the inter-school band battle; Sargam, the inter-school choir, and many others.
Litera Valley School, Patna ranked among top schools in India by Education World.
We have Archisha as our reporter to expand more about this outstanding achievement of our school.
It's a moment of great pride for all of us as Litera Valley School has been ranked 5th in Bihar and 5th in Patna by the Co-ed Day School category by Education World. This prestigious ranking was based on 14 parameters including academic reputation, sports, infrastructure and emotional well-being. It also reflects the school's commitment to excellence and holistic development.
That's it for this month's episode of Litera Times. We hope you enjoyed the latest school updates and stories from our community.
Join us back in the next month, where we bring you new achievements, stories, along with a new team.